Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Terraform Cloud API tokens, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Terraform Cloud API tokens, you first need to create a Terraform Cloud account. Once you have your account, log into the Terraform Cloud web interface. Navigate to the user settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the user settings menu, look for the tokens section. Click on the Create an API Token button to generate a new token. After the token is created, ensure you copy it immediately. Store the token in a secure location, as you will not be able to view it again. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. You will need to set the API token as an environment variable for authentication. Use the export command to set the environment variable on Unix-based systems. Type export tf_API_token equals your _token_ here and replace your _token_ here with your ACK. For Windows, use the command set tf_API_token equals your _token_ here in your command prompt. Now that the token is set, you can test the authentication. Run a Terraform API command, such as curl h authorization, bearer $tf_API_token https:// If you receive a valid response, your token is configured correctly. You can now use this token to interact with Terraform Cloud API securely. Remember to handle your API token with care to maintain your account's security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.